My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new adware type application that is now attacking many Mac computers. The adware type application is called BluelightFurry. BluelightFurry is the adware that actually belongs to the adload malware family. But this particular adware now attacks only Mac computers. The adware called BluelightFurry actually injects its malicious roots into browsers like Safari, but Google Chrome may also be attacked as well. But Safari is the main target of this adware. BluelightFurry adware, once installed, starts displaying a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. These ads are often very intrusive. They may occupy the large portion of space on top of other sites. So they actually, these ads by BluelightFurry, they prevent you from properly perceiving the content that you would like to perceive while being online. This distracts you a lot, and ads by BluelightFurry are also not really decent and not safe. They may often point you to many shady and dangerous pages in the internet. So if you have discovered this adware called BluelightFurry on your Mac, go to your Finder, check your applications, find this program, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see any other suspicious applications here, move them to the trash too. Very often it happens that visually the computer is free of threats, but inside there may be some hidden malware remaining. I recommend that you research your computer, your Mac computer, with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. So download this application, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. This is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, but the trial mode has got certain free features too. After the program is started, you need to click on this Start Combo Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. Speaking about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the trial mode has got several absolutely free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the general performance of your computer. Now then, the scanning will begin. It might take several minutes depending on various factors. Of course, Combo Cleaner Antivirus protects computers from all sorts of malware or adware or even ransomware attacks. There are versions both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner Premium license is what you need to always keep your Mac protected from any other malware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac always free of threats and always protected in the future.